Ever dreamt of going all in on that next big crypto project? Maybe you finally saved up enough to diversify your portfolio with a healthy dose of Bitcoin. But before you dive headfirst into the exciting world of Newton crypto, a question might be nagging at the back of your mind: just how much crypto can you actually buy there? Well, hold on to your rockets, fellow crypto enthusiasts, because that's exactly what we're tackling today. We'll be uncovering the limits on Newton crypto, dissecting what factors influence them, and ultimately equipping you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your crypto purchases. Now, Newton isn't your standard crypto exchange. They pride themselves on a user-friendly, hassle-free experience, focusing on getting you started with crypto quickly and securely. This streamlined approach means things are a little different when it comes to buying limits. Here's the key takeaway: unlike some exchanges that impose hard purchase limits, Newton takes a more flexible approach. They focus on verifying your identity and ensuring a smooth transaction process. So, the amount of crypto you can snag depends on your verification level. Level up your verification, level up your buying power. Think of verification on Newton like climbing a ladder. The higher you climb, the more features unlock, including increased buying limits. Here's a breakdown of the verification tiers and their corresponding limits. Tier 1, Basic Verification. This is your starting point. All you need is a valid email address and phone number to get verified. The limit here is modest, allowing you to buy up to $100 worth of crypto per day. It's a great way to test the waters and get comfortable with the platform. Tier 2, Enhanced Verification. This is where things start getting interesting. By providing some additional ID documents, you bump your daily limit to a much more substantial $3,000. This lets you explore a wider range of cryptocurrencies and potentially make some more significant investments. Tier 3, Full Verification. Now we're talking serious business. This tier involves the most rigorous verification process, but it unlocks the highest daily limit, a whopping $10,000. This is perfect for seasoned crypto investors who want the freedom to make larger purchases. Important considerations: limits are not set in stone. While these are the standard limits for each verification tier, it's important to remember that they can be subject to change. Here are a few factors that might influence your buying limits. Market volatility. During periods of extreme market volatility, Newton might temporarily adjust buying limits to ensure a stable trading environment. This is a safety measure to protect both Newton and its users. Your account history. If you've consistently used Newton responsibly and haven't raised any red flags, you might be eligible for an individual limit increase. It never hurts to reach out to Newton's customer support if you think your buying power deserves a boost. Local regulations. Cryptocurrency regulations vary from country to country. Depending on your location, there might be additional limitations imposed by local laws. Beyond limits, exploring other buying options. Now, if you're an investor with even bigger ambitions, fret not. While daily limits exist, there are ways to work around them. Here are a couple of options. Recurring buys. Newton allows you to set up recurring buys, essentially scheduling smaller, automated purchases throughout the week or month. This is a fantastic strategy for building your crypto portfolio gradually and taking advantage of dollar-cost averaging. Over-the-counter, OTC, trades. For those seeking to make truly significant crypto purchases, Newton offers OTC trading. This involves working directly with Newton to negotiate a deal outside the standard exchange platform. However, keep in mind that OTC trades typically come with higher minimum purchase requirements. The takeaway: limits don't define you. So, there you have it. We've navigated the world of buying limits on Newton Crypto. Remember, verification is key to unlocking your full buying potential. While limits exist, they shouldn't deter you from exploring the exciting world of crypto. With a little planning and the right strategies, you can make Newton Crypto your launchpad to a crypto-filled future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.